back the truck up. Day 5 of sheet vinyl. And I'll be honest with you, we ran out of sheet vinyl, but the excitement doesn't stop. Let me show you what I got the class doing today. So one thing that I think is so important is the prep work. I mean, it's by default, it's like one of the most important things with installation. So I've got the class here. We've made kind of a little bigger room. And what they're doing is they're working on getting their layout and what we like to call dead zones, AKA we call them here no-no zones here in Iowa. But they are working on finding their no-no zone for their layout. And I'm going to show you here. Here's what their plank size is. So I've got them down here right now working together, and we're just using tape, and they're going to mark out on both sides. We got a glue down, so I want them to both sides. I want them to mark a dead zone, aka Iowa terminology, the no-no zone. Yeah. All right, so we're going to end the day with a little pH. What's your pH in the floor? So they've got the water down right now, and they're going to take a test strip into that water. How long do you let it sit in there, Eve? 1 second in the water, and then hold it for about 15 seconds or so level. There you go. Oh, to get it out of the water. Yep.
And then you hold it for 15 seconds, and we're going to look at the color that it changes.
I would say you guys have a pH of
5, maybe 6.
5 to 6. So let's hold that up there, Eve. And that's what I would say, somewhere between 5 to 6. Yeah. Perfect. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We are ending the day. A quick cleanup. Everybody have a good time?
Yeah, great time.
Awesome. Glad to hear that. All right, guys, check you the next time I'm down here. I'll be doing ceramic. I'll be down here for 10 days. See you then.